Welcome back to Liquor Camp. My name's Christina and we were messing around with mezcals again, so I grabbed us Del Maguey Vida de Muertos. So to get the dirty details out of the way, this mezcal is a 90 proof mezcal and it retails for about $45. So one of the things that I've been struck by when we've looked at the different mezcals that we've tried, and this is no exception, is the amount of detailed information that they are willing to offer about their products. Anywhere from the elevation of where they get their agaves and their farms, to the mescalero, to what type of still they use, what type of wood that they use when they fire it. Anything you can think of, they've given it to you in most of their descriptions of their products. This company is no different, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to read to you directly from what they give on their information for this particular mezcal. It says, Vida de Muertos is a special 90 proof edition of Vida inspired by the batches of mezcal that are distilled in the autumn by the family of Paquiano Cruz Nolasco and shared for the celebration of Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead. The limited production of this expression honors the occasion for which it is named. Traditionally handcrafted from 100% mature agave espadín, it is amazing sipped and savored and in elegant cocktails. Vida de Muertos has an aromatic nose of tropical fruits and hints of warming spice, a creamy texture, and floral notes, green herbs, and poblano peppers with a long and complex finish. I don't know that I could ever say that any better than they did. Let's pop this one open. On the nose, this one comes through as a sweeter version of mezcal than I have tried with other ones in the past. I get that sour, citrusy agave aroma that you expect to find in a mezcal, but it has a richness to it, and there's a very small hint of char. It's not so overpoweringly smoky that you feel like you're putting your nose in a campfire, but I still get it. It's a wonderful, rich aroma. On the taste, immediately get that agave. I get a little bit of pepper, but it's not super hot. I get a lot of that sour citrus flavor and a little bit of that poblano that it talked about kind of on the background. And there's still a little bit of smoky, but that's not overpoweringly so. This is coming through as a really sippable mezcal. But it still has a really rich flavor to it. I very much enjoy this one. It is a wonderful, balanced flavor. It comes through with a good amount of that sweet citrus flavor and the smoke on the back. Go out and try it. If you want to check out our other mezcal reviews, check out our Messin' with Mezcal series. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see y'all back here at the camp.